The 2021 Kawasaki Z400 is designed with a lightweight chassis and agile handling, making it perfect for urban commuting and spirited riding. Compact frame and low weight ensure quick maneuverability and engaging riding experience, especially for newer riders. Powered by a 399cc parallel twin engine, the Z400 delivers impressive performance with smooth power delivery and strong acceleration. This responsive engine is both beginner-friendly and capable of thrilling more experienced riders, offering a versatile ride across various speeds and conditions. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. The Z400 features aggressive and modern styling, inspired by Kawasaki's Tsugomi design philosophy. With sharp lines, an angular front end, and a minimalist tail section, it boasts a striking appearance that stands out in the naked bike category. Despite its entry-level positioning, the 2021 Z400 comes equipped with advanced features such as a digital LCD instrument panel, assist and slipper clutch, and LED lighting. These elements enhance the overall riding experience, providing convenience, safety, and a touch of sophistication. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.